old Vincenzo. So to support me for giving you this brief moments that I have with a busy next 48 hours, hit that subscribe button, the bell notification for all your latest breaking news and coin updates, and technical analysis and information that you need to be educated and, most importantly, informed on your day-to-day trading and your day-to-day life to try to 1000x your potential, 1000x your standard of living, 1000x your quality of life, and 1000x, most importantly, your portfolio. So that way you, yes, you, my beautiful subscribers, can give back and can be charitable and can be overall happier people in life. Peace and love from old Vincenzo. Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Some quick technical analysis. Is very early morning as I have a very long day, so updates are going to be short and not very many. But you can see in some breaking news, I'm your home and your breaking news headline for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news, right? And here's some news. New BTC, new Bitcoin ATMs growth dropped globally for the first time ever, right? First time ever. The effectively prolonged bear market and the ATM Bitcoin ecosystem in September 2022 recorded negative growth in global net installations for first time in history, primarily driven by a slowdown in the United States. Or you could look at this and say the total number of ATM Bitcoins fell from 37,980 in September from an all-time high of 38,776, and then they only sold 37,980, right? But that's coming off an all-time high, so a 2% drop after an all-time high is not really evidence of that. Would be a reason probably why it is the first time it's ever went down, because it had such a great month the month before, but it's still a negative month for the first time ever, right? ATM installations confirmed that in September, 796 crypto ATMs were pulled off from the global network. So that's a negative. You go from an all-time high of installation, and then you have 796 being removed. The United States alone recorded a reduction of 825. So that's a critical thing to take note of. Not only did it slow down, they're reducing it because they're getting rid of ATMs that were already there. It's not just less new ATMs going. So this is big news, and this is something that we're going to pay attention to see if this continues month over month, and it becomes like 3 or 4 months in a row that happens, and then they're starting to pull 1,500 ATMs a month, not only reducing the amount that they're putting out, but we're going to pay attention for that. And you can see in the Bitcoin price, what's going on here is very simple. We're going to do these real quick because I have to get ready to go to work. We're going to do these in the 3-hour time frame. You can see the same area we were talking about yesterday that circled right here still applies. The technical analysis still applies. Your 19,184 is your major support. If you fail to hold that level, you come down here to the $16,658.11 level, right? And that's what we're watching out for right there. And as always, you have your major upper resistance on any kind of craziness at 27,000. And you have your major underneath price target on any kind of big crazy dump of $13,336, right? And as we move along into the Ethereum price, Ethereum is traded through this descending blue fib circle that it rejected the price up here. It's traded through, and when things trade through, they usually start to come back down and retest. So what I'm looking at now is if we move this to current price, to current time frame, your major upper resistance is right up here now. Your major upper resistance, since it traded through, didn't break out or break down from that blue fib circle. Your major upper resistance, first brief resistance that could knock the price down on a pump, is 14,401, or the 200-day moving average right there. And then your major upper resistance is the bottom part of the volume indicator red resistance box at 1679 is a major upper resistance on any kind of crazy pump. Your lower support now becomes this blue area, this blue support box in the volume indicator area and price action combination, and that would be right here at about $1,293.59. If you slip that, you're likely to come all the way down here if it does it by the 9th of October, right, to the 1,084, but that would be on the bottom part of this blue support box in a major support zone, or that blue fib circle, because if you broke that area, this fib circle is slightly uptrending. If you broke it over here, your major underneath support is $822 on that green fib circle, and that's what we're looking at here. And then XRP, you can see it actually had some price action move from yesterday. Last night, I believe we were sitting down here, and we've been talking about this is your major upper resistance. If you watch some of those videos, check out them playlists I got going on for you. It makes it super simple and easy to get informed, educated, so that you can take action. And look at, you had this nice mini pump. We had some little volume come in right there. You see that? Come on. See the volume, how it came in right there? And look where you got rejected or resisted. It almost touched it perfectly on that blue resistance box, and it again forced the price down. And now what you look is you got to redo everything again. You look to hold the 50. If you fail the 50, you come to the 100. If you fail the 100, you come to the 200. If you fail the 200, you come to 37 cents. Now, if you get supported on the 50, you can make another run back to 50 cents. And then you either got to A, break this, breach the old high, and continue up to your major upper target of 66 cents, or the top part of this blue resistance box. Or you would come up, get rejected, and then you would have to try to do it all over again on the 50, right, and get rejected and do it on the 200, right? So that's your critical upper resistance is 50 cents. If you continue to get rejected by that, 37 cents on this blue line down here, that major old resistance back here. Remember when it was resistance? See all the resistance? It's now going to be your major short-term support, because if you broke that short-term support, you'd come down there to 32 cents. And then if you couldn't hold that, there would be some deeper lows. And then if we look at a couple of altcoins, DAP, you can see it's still consolidating down from the last time we talked about it. So what we're looking at now is your major support level, where it's trying to keep it confirmed flipped from resistance, is right here at the 0.0006962, and that's your new area where if you're trying to gamble and hope the pattern continues, you buy down there on this red support box, and then you sell up here on this resistance line at 0.01248, right? And then if it failed that red support box, you would come back down here into the same pattern that you're on before, getting supported down here on this green line, which was major support. If we look left in the chart, remember that, where the green line was buy, resistance box, and red was sell for quite some time. And that's what we're looking back at that. And then a little Raven coin. You can see we're still sitting down here at the 0.0075654 after we broke down from a major support level, right? And then took the big plunge. And this is your new level you have to hold, or you're going to go on the price discovery. If you get any kind of major bounce, that's your upper target, 0.00121274. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love to you. Yes, you.